All India Trinamool Congress MLA Mukul Sangma yesterday visited the disputed border area of Maikhuli Pillangkhatta. During his visit, Sangma also talked to the villagers about the land which is in a dilemma. The survey of India could not measure the land perfectly. That's why there has been so many problems in the area since that time. The Assam government has encroached this land that belongs to Meghalaya.
Ima milimni area ongani gaman ba sanat issue painga ongdo de sanat issue pa joba nasong gamakon akong na ya nangni gatum na nokma donna ba gawura donna ba madonja
kecil mayong itu ya aro buat pakai area ni dia donga di raji
pada ini gaman gua gaman as per record iko da na gapani ako de khangrak na manja na gapani ako khanga ode singget bo dolin misok bo notification misok ko ni misok kenga ini gaman no base kaisa gaman ko mesoka research school sonsini gni ojen salo ansung Meghalaya ko girls state onani jamano boundary ko settle kana ino bisoni ongija tuani gaman gua akhang gure milam dia nakni hima milam ni arang ko tolchapani gamanan ba chakcha bujo ini gaman sa ya problem apa area of difference madgi abachi area of difference mane je area ko nanchen rachak na manjeng ni akangi bijong ni akangi gua problem ara maini asela bachi jensalo asamaru Meghalaya border ko survey of India thua onggiza thwani gaman rachakcha ne onggiza thwani gaman rachakcha ni gaman sa ya problem area of difference in the padonga igu solve kaboni na over rachakcha den option problem donga ge we ba see area of difference the genesis ukor pongjo de it will never be resolved onggiza takang mo de that's why it has to be mutually acceptable and acceptability should be based on the overall justification of indicating as to which part of the land belongs to whom.